Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you some benefits of tulsi. First, natural immunity booster. Tulsi is rich in vitamin C and zinc. It thus acts as a natural immunity booster and keeps infections at bay. It has immense antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal properties which protects us from a variety of infections. Tulsi leaves extract increases the T helper cells and natural killer cells activity, boosting the immune system. Second, reduces fever, antipyretic and pain analgesic. Tulsi has antibacterial and antiviral properties which help to fight infections, thus reducing fever. Tulsi, taken with black pepper powder, cures periodic fevers. Tulsi leaves boiled with powdered cardamom, elaichi in half a liter of water and mixed with sugar and milk is also effective in reducing temperature. Eugenol, a terpene with pain relieving properties found in tulsi, reduces aches in the body. Third, reduces cold, cough and other respiratory disorders. Camphene, cinolol and eugenol present in tulsi helps to reduce cold and congestion in the chest. Juice of tulsi leaves mixed with honey and ginger is effective in bronchitis, asthma, influenza, cough and cold. Fourth, reduces stress and blood pressure. Tulsi contains compounds osimusoids A and B. These compounds reduce stress and balance the neurotransmitters serotonin and dopamine in the brain. Anti-inflammatory properties of tulsi reduce inflammation and blood pressure. Fifth, anti-cancer properties. Phytochemicals present in tulsi have strong antioxidant properties. Thus, they help in protecting us from skin, liver, oral and lung cancers. Sixth, good for heart health. Tulsi has a profound effect on treatment and prevention of cardiovascular diseases by means of lowering blood lipid content, suppressing ischemia and stroke, reducing hypertension, and also due to its higher antioxidant properties. Seventh, good for diabetes patients. Extract of tulsi leaves has shown to lower blood glucose levels in patients with type 2 diabetes. Eighth, useful in kidney stones and gouty arthritis. Tulsi detoxifies the body and has diuretic properties. It decreases the level of uric acid in the body, which is the main reason why kidney stones are formed. Reduction in uric acid levels also provide relief to the patients suffering from gout. Ninth, useful in gastrointestinal disorders. Tulsi leaves help to cure indigestion and loss of appetite. They are also used for the treatment of flatulence and bloating. 10th, good for skin and hair. Tulsi helps clear out the skin blemishes and ache. It is rich in antioxidants and that helps it to prevent premature aging. Tulsi also strengthens our hair roots, thus preventing hair loss. Antifungal properties of tulsi prevent the development of fungus and dandruff. 7th, acts as an insect repellent. For centuries, the dried tulsi leaves have been mixed with stored grains to repel insects. How to consume tulsi? Consume tulsi leaves raw, plucked fresh from the plant, add it in your tea or make kadha out of it. Tulsi tea. To make tulsi tea, boil 1 cup of water and pour it over 1 teaspoon of fresh tulsi leaves, 1 to 2 teaspoon of dried tulsi leaves or 1 to 3 teaspoon of tulsi powder. Cover the water in a pot or mug and let it steep for 15 to 20 minutes. Then strain the leaves, add honey if desired and enjoy. Tulsi powders and supplements are also available in the market for consumption.